To set up your Ledger Nano S Plus, start by unpacking the device and verifying its contents, which should include the device itself, a USB cable, a recovery sheet, and a set of instructions. Next, connect your Ledger Nano S Plus to your computer using the provided USB cable. The device will automatically turn on and you will see the Ledger logo on the screen. Then, press both buttons on the device simultaneously to begin the setup process. Choose your language and select the option to configure the device as a new device. Create a PIN code to secure your device, making sure to choose a code that is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Write down your recovery phrase, which consists of 24 words, and store it safely in the provided recovery sheet. Do not share your recovery phrase with anyone, as it can be used to access your funds. Once you have written down your recovery phrase, confirm it on the device by selecting each word in the correct order. Your device is now set up and ready to use. To add accounts, go to the Ledger Live app on your computer. Select the account you want to add, and follow the prompts to complete the process. Make sure to always keep your device and recovery phrase safe and secure to protect your cryptocurrency investments. Regularly update your device and Ledger Live app to ensure you have the latest security features and protections. By following these steps, you can securely set up your Ledger Nano S Plus and start managing your cryptocurrency portfolio.